Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. Students, in the previous class, I completed exercise 13A in which you learned how can you find the area of different shapes, different polygons such as parallelogram, semicircle, triangle, or the different shapes given in the questions like this one. Yes, today I will explain you next exercise 13b in which you will learn how can you find the area of a trapezium or a rhombus. So first student, you should know what is a trapezium. See here in your book on page number 203. What is a trapezium? See, trapezium, it is a quadrilateral with one pair of parallel sides. Area of trapezium is equal 1/2 h into a plus b. Students, trapezium is also a type of a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means a polygon having four sides, made up of four sides. If a figure is made up of three sides, then it is a triangle. But if a figure is made up of four line segments, then it is a quadrilateral. So what is a trapezium? Trapezium, it is a quadrilateral. Means trapezium is also made up of four line segments in which one pair of side is parallel. See here, this is the shape of a trapezium. Here, see four line segment 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of these four line segments, this one pair of opposite sides is parallel. So in a trapezium, one pair of opposite side is parallel and distance between these parallel side is known as height of the trapezium. See different shape. See here. This is also a trapezium. These two sides are parallel and distance between these two sides, that is, this one is height. This is not a height, student, this is a height. It is also a trapezium. In this trapezium, these two sides are parallel and distance between these two sides, this is height of the trapezium. And what is a rhombus? Formula to find the area of trapezium is 1/2 h a plus b. What is h? H is the height between the parallel lines and a plus b, this is the measurement of these two parallel lines. Okay, it will be more clear when I will solve the question. Now come to rhombus. What is a rhombus? It is a parallelogram in which all sides are equal. Students, rhombus is a parallelogram. As in a square, all four sides are equal. In rhombus also, all sides are equal. And it is a parallelogram. Parallelogram means in a rhombus, opposite sides, two pair of opposite sides are parallel. See here the figure of rhombus, this one. All four sides are equal. These two opposite sides are parallel and these two opposite sides are parallel. Area of rhombus is equal 1/2 d1 and d2. What are d1, d2? Diagonals. In a rhombus, there are two diagonals. First, this is diagonal and second one is this one. In a rhombus, there are two diagonals and these two diagonals bisect each other at right angle. See student, this is the sign of right angle. In a rhombus, two diagonals bisect each other at right angle. So area of rhombus is equal 1/2 d1 into d2, where d1 and d2 are the lengths of the diagonals of the rhombus. Now we start exercise 13b. See here, I have written this both the formulas. Area of a trapezium is equal 1/2 h a plus b. Area of rhombus is equal 1/2 d1 into d2. Now come to the exercise. In exercise 13b, These 6 figures are given in question number 1. First figure is trapezium. Second figure is also trapezium. Third one is also trapezium. So in first figure, this parallel line is 5 centimeter and this one is 12 centimeter. Distance between these two parallel lines is 7 centimeter. So this is height. I have drawn the figure here also only in one question. So area of trapezium is equal, first we will write the formula 1 upon 2 h a plus b. Then 1 upon 2 h. What is h here in the figure? 7 centimeter. Height of trapezium is 7 centimeter. So 1 upon 2 into 7, then bracket first parallel side. First parallel side is 5 centimeter and second one is 12. So 5 plus 12, then close the bracket. 1 upon 2, this 7. First we will add these two parallel sides. 12 plus 5, 17. Now we cannot simplify this 7 or 17 by 2. So first we will multiply 17 7 ja 119. 119 upon this 2. Now we will divide this 119 by 2. We will get 59.5 square centimeter. Come to second part. Again this shape is also a trapezium. In this shape, in this figure, one parallel line is 4.8 centimeter, other is 2.5 and height is 4 centimeter. So first we will write the formula. Area of a trapezium is equal 1 upon 2 h a plus b. 1 upon 2 into height is 4. Then bracket first parallel side is 4.8 centimeter plus second one is 2.5 centimeter. Close the bracket. 1 upon 2 into this 4. Multiply. We will add these two numbers. We get 7.3. See 8 and 8 plus 5 13. Carry 1. 1 and 2 3. 3 plus 4 7. Now simplify it. 2 1 ja 2. 2 2 ja 4. Then 2 into 7.3. We get 14.6 square centimeter. Come to C part. Again this is a trapezium. In this figure, these 10 centimeter and this 30 centimeter. These are the measurement of two parallel sides and height of trapezium is 20 centimeter. So again first we will write the formula. Then put the value of height. Height is 20 centimeter. So 1 upon 2 into 20. First parallel side is 10 and other is 30. Bracket close. 1 upon 2. 20 into 30 plus 10. 40. 2 10 ja 20. Then 10 into 40. 400 square centimeter. Now come to figure D. In this figure, this is a rhombus having 4 equal sides. Its first diagonal is 5 centimeter, other second one is 9 centimeter. So I have drawn figure here also. Area of rhombus is equal 1 upon 2 into D1 into D2. Then 1 upon 2 into D1 is 5 centimeter first diagonal. D2 is 9 centimeter second diagonal. So 1 upon 2 into 5 into 9. Now 9 5 ja 45 upon this 2. When we will divide 45 by 2, we will get 22.5 square centimeter. Next figure E. Again it is also a rhombus in which first diagonal is 40 centimeter and second diagonal is 50 centimeter. So again area of rhombus is equal 1 upon 2 into D1 into D2. 1 upon 2, D1 is 40 centimeter and D2 is 50. Simplify it. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 0. Then 20 into 50. It is 1000 square centimeter. Now come to question number 2. In question number 2, the height of a trapezium is 7 meter and one of its bases is 8 meter. If the area of trapezium is 154 meter square, then find the other base. If we draw its figure, students, it will be like this. Suppose this is the first side, this is its height, this is its other side, second one, join it. Its first parallel side is 8 meter. This height is 7 meter and area of the trapezium is 154 square meter. So how we will write it? first we will write the formula. See, area of a trapezium is equal 154 square meter. Then write here below it formula 1 upon 2 h a plus b is equal 154. Then 1 upon 2, what is the height in this question? It is 7 meter. So in place of h we will write 7. First parallel side a is 8 meter plus b. We have to find other one. We will write as it is b. Then close the bracket, equal 154. Now this 7 into 8 plus b is equal, this 2 will be here with 154 by cross multiplication. So we will write this 7 into 8 plus b, close bracket, is equal 154 multiplied by 2. Now this 8 plus b is equal 154 into 2 upon this 7. Now 7 1 just 7, 7 2 just 14, 7 2 just 14, 8 plus b is equal 44, 22 2 just 44, b is equal 44 upon this, b is equal 44, take this 8 from left side to right side, it will become minus 8, then b is equal 36 meter. So second parallel side of trapezium is 36 meter. Now come to question number 3. Find the area of a rhombus with diagonals 12 centimeter and 26 centimeter. Again as we did here. See, area of rhombus is equal 1 upon 2 into d1 into d2. Then this 1 upon 2 multiply d1 is 12 centimeter multiply d2 is 26. 2 6 are 12. When we will multiply 6 into 26, we get 156 square centimeter. Come to question number 4. Question number 4 is, the area of a rhombus is 96 square centimeter. If one diagonal is 16 centimeter, find the length of the other diagonal. Here this is the area of rhombus. So first we will write area of rhombus is given in the question 96 square centimeter. Again write the formula for area of rhombus below it. 1 upon 2 into d1 into d2 equal 96. Now this 1 upon 2 d1 is given 16 centimeter. So d1 16 centimeter into d2 we have to find out equal 96. Then this d2 equal this 96, cross multiplication, 96 into 2 upon this 16. 16 1 is 16, 16 6 is 96. So d2 is equal 6 2 is 12 centimeter. Next, fifth one question. Find the height of the trapezium whose parallel sides are 4 centimeter and 12 centimeter respectively, and area is 360 square centimeter. This time we have both the parallel side, measurement of both the parallel sides and area, and we have to find height of the trapezium. Same as we did here. First we will write area of trapezium is 360 square centimeter. Then write formula 1 upon 2 h into a plus b equal 360. 1 upon 2 h will be written as it is because we have to find out h. Then first parallel side 4 plus second parallel side 12 centimeter equal 360. Then 1 upon 2 into h into 12 plus 4 16 equal 360. 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16. H into 8 is equal 360. Then h is equal this 360 upon this 8. 8 1 is 8, 8 4 is 32, 4 remainder 40, 8 5 is 40. So h is equal 45 centimeter. Clear? So students, today we will do up to here, means question number 5. Up to here. Remaining 3 questions we will do. Students, you can do, okay, I will explain. Question number 6, 7, 8, 3 questions left. I will explain these 3 questions in the next class. Okay students. Thank you and have a nice day.